Hello friends, my name is Ramesh Kumar. Today I explain you one English story. The title of this story is Friends in Trouble. So friends, if you are new in my channel, please subscribe and I bell all the bell icon for more video. So let's start. There lived two close friends, Basit and Raheel, in a village near Hyderabad. In school, they studied together, and in the evening, both friends enjoyed playing cricket together. On weekends, they usually went to the nearby canal for fishing. Often, they also went on long walks in the nearby forest because they liked listening to the birds chirping or watching the animals at play and looking at the beautiful flowers. They always enjoyed each other's company. They laughed, joked, and had a great time the whole day. Basit was a kind and helpful boy by nature. Moreover, his parents and had always taught him to be a kind, sympathetic, helpful, and sincere person. He behaved very nicely with all his friends, but he had a special place in his heart for Raheel. Basit always helped Raheel with his homework. He was always willing to guide and help him whenever he faced any difficulty or problem. He also happily gave one of his fish to Raheel when he failed to catch any because luckily Basit often managed to catch more fish than Raheel. Although Basit was very active and very intelligent, he was not good at climbing trees. Rahil, on the other hand, was very good at climbing trees, as he had a tall tree in his house which he had been climbing from an early age. One day, Rahil and Basit decided to go to the nearby forest to enjoy the natural beauty. Being nature lovers, they kept walking along the path of the forest all the time, talking and enjoying the natural beauty all around them. They were so curious about everything that they just kept on following whatever caught their attention, not realized that they had wandered deep into the forest. Suddenly they realized that they had lost their way. They become very worried because their parents and the villagers had often told them about the dangerous beast living in the forest. However, they decided to remain calm and promised not to leave each other in case of danger. They kept walking through the forest, trying to find their way back home, but all their efforts were in vain. All of a sudden, they saw a huge black bear coming towards them. They got frightened. This is where Rahil showed his selfish nature and said, "Look, Basit, we are in great trouble. As I see it, we have only two choices. Either we climb on a tree and save ourselves, or we started running. Since I am good at climbing, I am going to climb a tree. As you do not know how to climb, it would be a good idea for you to run as quickly as you can to save your life." Basit was extremely shocked to hear this. He had never expected that his friends would abandon him like this because he loved and trusted his friends sincerely. As the bear came nearer, Basit was paralyzed with fear. Finding no other way, he quickly lay flat on the ground, stopped breathing, and pretended to be dead. When the bear reached him, it smelt his body, probably thought he was dead, and did not touch him. Soon the bear just walked away. After a while, Basit heard his friends coming down the tree and guessed that the bear had gone away. He stood up and looked at Raheel angrily. But Raheel, instead of feeling ashamed or apologizing to his friends for having abandoned him, just asked excitedly, Basit, what did the bear whisper in your ear? From his position high up in the tree, he had seen that the bear had brought its face close to Basit's head and thought that the bear had said something to his friends. Basit looked at his friends angrily and replied, he advised me not to trust a friend who leaves his friends at the time of danger. Hearing this, Raheel felt embarrassed. He did not know what to say and started to walk away. Basit followed him silently since Raheel had seen the way out from the top of the tree. Both friends quickly got out of the forest and reached their homes. What do you think happened after this accident? Now comment me. So friends, this is our today's story. If you like this story, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends.